How to record Excel screen. Open the Excel screen that you want to record and endeavor that you don't have any other window open. As you can see, mine, I only have the Excel screen here open that I want to record. Then go click on search here and open your PowerPoint window. On your PowerPoint window, click on blank presentation. Then go to insert. At the media group, click on screen recording. It will automatically take you to the Excel page that you've opened. Then as you can see this plus sign here, you're going to use it to crop the area that you want to record. At the moment, I want to record the whole screen. So you just hold and drag. So I want to record the whole screen. Then you click on record here. It has started recording after the end of the count. So as you can see, it's recording. You can go ahead and do your presentation. And when you are done with the video, take your cursor up here and you'll see this drop down, pause, stop, whichever one you want to do. So at the moment, I want to stop my video. Click on it. It will take you to PowerPoint and you have the Excel screenshots here. So what you have to do is to right click and choose save media as, so that it will remain as a video. If you click save as picture, it will just be a picture. So save media as, for it to be saved as a video. So we have media 1. Let's leave it at that. Let's save it as media 1. Save. Now it is saved. Let's search for our Excel screen to endeavor that yes, it is in the system. Go to your file. I saved mine with media 1. So let's search for media 1. This is it. So let's open it. Play. So, can you hear that? So this is your video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.